Do you need a lawyer if an insurance company has already offered you a settlement? If the insurance company has come to you after an accident and they tender what's called tender their policy, they give you all of the money that's in the policy that their insured bought. So under Pennsylvania law, in an auto case, a person can have $15,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $250,000, $500,000, $1 million. You don't know what their policy is unless the adjuster tells you. So if the adjuster comes to you and says, hey, we'll use the general as an example because most of their policies are $15,000, and the adjuster comes and says, listen, our guy hit you, you got hurt, we want to give you his policy of $15,000. Do you need a lawyer for that? No, but you may be entitled to what's called underinsured motorist benefits. And if you accept that money and you don't get consent to settle from your own insurance company, you then waive your right to be able to recover that money. So you should always just talk to a lawyer. You come in with an offer. Most lawyers are going to say to you, listen, you already have that money offered to you, so I'm not going to take a fee on that. Let me go back and negotiate with them and see if I can get more, and if I can, then I can take a fee on whatever I get over and above what they offered you coming in. If a lawyer doesn't say that to you, then go to a different lawyer, because that's unfair to you as the client. You came in already having an offer. I do it all the time. I have clients that come in and they already have offers made, and I tell them, we put it right in the fee agreement that the first 3, 5, 10, 15,000, whatever is offered is the client's money, and our fee is on anything over and above that. You really should always consult with the lawyer, because again, you don't know what the rules are. You don't know what you're entitled to and what they're not entitled to. And they will take advantage of your innocence. I mean, there are some very wonderful people in the insurance industry. Some adjusters I truly think the world of and trust. And there are others, if I saw them crossing the street, I would have to think twice about hitting the accelerator. They really aren't nice people. I would always talk to a lawyer. I know I'm a lawyer, and that's, you think, oh, of course he's a lawyer, he's going to say that. Yes, but I do this for a living. I know the games they play, and I know how they take advantage of people. Most lawyers are going to say to you, hey, I can help you, I can't help you. Yeah, that's good to sign, that's not bad. They're not going to say, oh, well, it's, $1,000 for me to look at that. They won't do that. And if they do, you just call a different lawyer. You want somebody who's going to be worried about you. That's it. You always have to be worried about number one, and that's you. You can't worry about anyone else. That's why the adjuster doesn't care about you. That's why the insurance company doesn't care about you. But you pay a lawyer to care about you. And that's our job when you come to us. So I hope that helps.